And welcome to another awesome auction. Up for bids is a wonderful Samsung Junior. These things are ridiculously hard to find. It does come with the owner's manual and the glass tray. The microwave oven's number is SJ0390W. This is an excellent working order. And, there's normal little scratches on the side, from use. But other than that, it's perfect. Open it up. Glass tray. Very clean. Glass tray out. That there's it's not broken or jacked up inside. The hinges are fine. And we are going to cook some wonderful potatoes. Basically what you do is I'm going to cook for 1 minute or 2 minutes or 3 minutes, 4 minutes, 5 minutes. You can select and then 4 minutes. And there it goes. Great little machine. The only downside is you can't see, of course, your food cooking or if it's spilling over. It does come with the manual. It's in nice, clean condition, readable, no marks or anything. The back side, like I said, it's pretty clean. No horrible dents or anything. It is a 600 watt microwave. And you can hear it. Little lights on in there, you can see. You can see on the side there's no considerable horrible dentage. In very good condition. Like I said, there might be you can barely see it, like a little abrasion or something, like somebody scuffed up. Well, like here for instance, there's a little scuff. But other than that, overall great condition. Just don't have any use for it. And it does come with a popcorn button, beverage button, pizza button. Like I said, with the minutes, you can hit it up, and then as soon as you let it go, it fires it up. I put something in there that actually takes probably about the same amount of time in a regular, normal microwave. So you got to figure, I think most of your regular microwaves are about 1200 watts. This is about half of it. But I mean, it's a Samsung. Samsungs last forever. They're a very good product. Again, this auction, it is in working condition. And if you have any questions, please feel free to contact me. We're going to see how this is cooked up in just a second here. You see I put it in for 4 minutes. It's at 1 minute 33 seconds left to go. Go ahead and open it up and see how far it's gotten now. Ooh, ow, ow, that's kind of hot. Oh, that's pretty good. Holy moly, that's hot. Probably is going to use... It's going to have to use a few more minutes. Like I said, it's half the wattage, but hey, what do you want? Anyway, again, these are rare to find. It's a beautiful condition. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact me, and have a wonderful day.